Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, guys. And in today's tutorial, I will show you how to redeem a Cash App gift card step by step, guys. So first things first, of course, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up the Cash App, okay, on your device, and ensure that you're actually logged into your account. Next, guys, what I need you to do is I need you to tap on the Banking tab, okay, which is the dollar sign icon on the home screen. And from here, guys, I want you to navigate to the Add Funds section. So if your Cash App gift card has a code, what you want to do, guys, is you want to tap on the Redeem a Gift Card option or enter the code directly in the provided field. Of course, guys, you want to double check the code to ensure accuracy before you hit on Apply. Okay, so for gift cards linked through external platforms, for example, like Visa or MasterCard, prepaid gift cards, you'll see the card as a payment method. Okay, to do this, guys, all you want to do is you want to tap on linked, a banked, or cards. You want to select add debit or credit card, okay? And input the gift card details, okay? And once redeemed, guys, or linked, the balance from the gift card will appear in your Cash App wallet, ready to use for your transactions or transfers. And that's it, guys. You have successfully redeemed your Cash App gift card. And I hope this video helped you out, guys. If it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.